Hello everybody. I have a 2002 Chevy Silverado and the seat belt is squeaking. Every time you turn a corner or something, as your body moves, the seat belt moves with you and it has a high-pitched squeak. Well, if you're having this problem, it's going to drive you nuts just like it has me. So what you need to do is you need to get a clip tool, slide it in behind this plastic part, unclip there, and unclip there. The plastic piece comes off, and it exposes that white roller. Well, this is just a roller. The main mechanism is down into the seat, but what your concern is that white roller right down inside there. That's what's making the squeaking noise. So what you need to do, if you had any kind of graphite, that would work best, but of course I don't have that, so we're gonna use some WD-40. Fixes everything, right along with duct tape. Alright, take the straw of your WD-40 and you squirt it right there, not on the roller but on the bearing part where the roller's sitting on. Okay, okay, now let's see. Oh yeah, much better. Squeaking is gone. And just pop your cap back on there and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps other people out. Thanks for watching.